The challenges you face with indirect procedures are incredibly complex. Kerr understands this, and their goal is to simplify those complexities by giving you the right tools. Maxcem Elite Chroma is just the type of innovative product that you've come to expect from Kerr. The first self-etch, self-adhesive resin cement that has a color indicator to tell you when it's time to clean up the excess cement. Maxcem Elite Chroma is a high-performance product that proves you can change your outcomes by changing your cement. When it comes to indirect restorations, cleanup is one of those things that you never really think about until something goes wrong. Unfortunately, a lot can go wrong if excess cement is left behind. It only takes a little bit of overlooked residual cement to cause crown debonding, soft tissue inflammation, bleeding, gum recession, periimplantitis, or crestal bone loss. With so much at stake, the reality is there are many uncertainties surrounding cleanup. Environmental factors, timing inconsistencies, and unstable cements can all add up to outcomes you might not be so sure about. With Maxcem Elite Chroma, you can tell at a glance when it's time to remove the excess cement. When it is dispensed, the cement starts out with a visible pink color. As the cement cures and reaches the gel state, the pink color gradually fades to the cement shade. This tells you that you are at the optimal window of time to do the cleanup. But don't worry, whether you use it in self-cure or light cure mode, once the cement has been completely cured, any remaining traces of pink will be completely gone. Of course, Kerr has also found a way to ensure that once that optimal time window is reached, cleanup is simple to do. Formulated to give you a reliable one-peel cleanup procedure, the excess cement comes off in just one peel, further reducing the risk of leaving any excess cement behind. Once the restoration is complete, you can be confident that it will stay seated. Maxcem Elite Chroma provides one of the most secure holds available compared to other leading self-adhesive cements. You get a 90% higher bond strength on dentin than in previous formulas for reliable and predictable cement performance. You can use Maxcem Elite Chroma with all indirect restorations and most desired substrates. This includes anterior or posterior ceramics and composites, PFMs and metal restorations, and CAD/CAM materials. Regardless of the type of substrate you're working with, you'll find the cement's delivery system very easy to use. Maxcem Elite Chroma comes packaged in a dual-barrel syringe with single-use Automix tips, as well as optional curved dispensing tips. These tips allow you to deliver the desired volume of cement directly into the restoration and/or tooth preparation with ease. Maxcem Elite Chroma gives you a choice of 3 cement colors: white, yellow, and a highly translucent clear shade that is 59% translucent. All 3 colors will reliably maintain their color, or translucency in the case of the clear shade, for better aesthetics and shade matching. In fact, the cement has a proprietary redox initiator system which creates a more aesthetic restoration by virtually eliminating the inherent discoloration that you get with BPO tertiary amine initiator systems. In addition, Maxcem Elite Chroma is extremely radiopaque, ensuring easy identification on X-rays and radiographs. Plus, it is stored at room temperature, so it won't take up valuable space in your practice's refrigerator. In summary, Maxcem Elite Chroma is the first self-etch, self-adhesive resin cement offering a color cleanup indicator, making it the smartest cement available on the market today. The cement has a pink color that fades at the gel state, showing you the optimal time to clean up excess cement. It forms a strong and durable bond with a wide variety of dental substrates and is compatible with all indirect restorations. Maxcem Elite Chroma gives you the best-in-class adhesion when compared to other leading self-adhesive cements. And it also offers one peel cleanup, a convenient Automix delivery system, and easy no refrigeration storage. Maxcem Elite Chroma. Change your cement, change your outcomes.